Hello, my name is Andrea, and for the activity of this, we're gonna answer some questions. The first being, what is IPA and why is it important? This is the International Political Economics that is in charge of studying the interactions between the international politics and economics within the different groups and communities that are all over the world. This is very important to study because it will help us understand the different impacts and consequences that these interactions generate, not only in the international field but also in the local sphere. From IPA, the International Political Economics, they developed three main theories, which are the mercantilism, the economic liberalism, and the Marxism. The mercantilism is they see the economic activity as a way to gain more power. Their primary focuses on the state being more powerful than others. They see these as a competitions where the state that accumulates more wealth can be more powerful in the meanings of military and politic, and they can with this ensure that they will be in a good position in the international field. While liberalism believes that the economic system is autonomous, it will operate naturally by the guidance of their own laws that govern it, and they see the economic system as a place that is harmonious. It's a harmonious environment where all participants benefit from the trade. They focuses on the benefits because they see that if they believe and they guide from this economic system, the benefits will maximize not only for the state but also the individuals that are their primary main actor for them. These see the market is a very cooperative place where all actors have a good intention. For the contrary, Marxism believes that the economic system is a place for human exploitation. That is a very different view from the liberalism, because they see that the upper class is the one that rules over the more weaker and most vulnerable actors in the international field. They see that this economic system is filled with classes inequality, and they also state that these not only rule in the economic aspect of it, they also rule in the political aspect. They say that the state is also ruled by the bourgeoisie. The third question says that politics is in control of economics, say mercantilism, or economics is the basis of everything else, including politics, say Marxisms. How should we settle in this dispute? I personally consider that economics determine a lot of things. It does affect politics, but not in all the aspects of it. I see that, for example, if a state wants to gain more power or more presence in the international field, they may have to modify certain politics of them to accomplish that new goal. For example, establishing a new relation with a different actor, they will have to maybe modify some of the external politics. And in that sense, economics do affect politics, but no, I don't think that this is the basis for everything. The next question says that economic liberals argue that economic exchange is a positive sum game. In the Marxism approach, the economic is a side of exploitation and inequality. Who is correct? I think both, or none. Maybe it's like a middle point between the two. I don't see the economic sphere being used all rainbows and sunshine and being a positive place where every actor has a good intention, but I don't see also that every actor has a bad intention. I think most of them are moved or guided by their own self-interests, not like the common good. But I cannot just see it as a place for exploitation and inequality. I think it should be better than what it is now, but I will see it like in the middle point. The last question states that Do security interests always have priority over economic matters as mercantilism claim? I think yes, but not always. In some cases, the economics are more important, or for some actors, the economic aspect are more important than the security. I think that's wrong. I think that security should be the priority in all cases, but that's not always what happens in reality. For the last part of this activity, we're gonna compare two theories, the Waltz and the Wallenstern, to see which one is better. Both of them focuses more on the system rather than the state. This is because we are gonna have a better perspective if we focus on the system. Because if we focus on the system, we can see a system where the stronger states are on the top and the weak ones are on the bottom, and we can have a better understanding the why is that. In the Waltz, they focuses more on the military power because of the condition of anarchy they believe is in the war. Wallenstern focuses more on the economic power because it sees this as is related to the political power a state has. That's why we can say that Wallenstern puts the economic first and then politics second, while Waltz puts the politics first and the economic second. I see that if we take a good look at the system right now, we can say that most of the stronger state is because they have a very strong economic system. So I think, or I believe, the Wallenstern is a better way to understand the economic system right now.